Hey, stop. 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 Oh, yeah! Stop. Stop. Yeah. Right there. You can't kill me. No, man, you know. That's all right. No, man.
Right. What? No. No. Second coming is right now. I want quiet while I finish my shower. Here I fucking come! Where's my fucking scattergun? It doesn't have to be like this, you fucking idiots! You can't hurt me! And it's prophecy! You're fucking stupid! Get my fucking scattergun right here, right now! I want you to try to stop right now! What up, Buttercup? Ah. You look stupid as fuck, bro. Look at your style, bro. Oh, hey. Hey, stop. 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 Oh, yeah! Stop. Stop. Yeah! Right there! You can't kill me! No, man, you know! That's all right! No, man!
Officer detail, shots fired. Hi, shots fired. Officer needs help. Suspect. Hi, officer needs help to 1 Ventura Boulevard. Officer needs help to 1 Ventura Boulevard. Shots fired. Any area come in? Explain frequency. Senior units 2185 35 here. Suspect from the vandalism at 21 Ventura. 21 Ventura is now shooting a shot to her There's a help call. Go ahead and drop the frequency.
Apartment.
There's a male. Oh my god. I think he's armed.
Officer needs help. Officer needs help. Shots fired. Get back. Get back. Stop. Stop. Get down. Get down. Where's he at? He's right there in the front. I don't know. It's apartment, I believe, right? Male bulk. Officer needs help. Officer needs help. Shots fired. Get back. Get back. 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 Get down. Get down. Where's he at? He's right there in the front. He just went to the front down there. Stand by. Stand by. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. Hurry. I'm behind you. He's at the front there. Yeah. Get down, get down. 21897. Shots fired, officer needs help. Suspect, male white. Whose shop door is this? I'm bumping! Let me go from that. He's right there. Where is he? He's right here. 21897.
Alright, no shooting. Shot to her. There's a help call. Go ahead and drop the frequency. Can you recommend on? 575 years from the vandalism at 2 address 21. The majority is now shooting a shot to hurt. There's a help call. Go ahead and drop the frequency.
Guys, go get your helmets. I can call it Thames. Let's get Thames up. We don't need to handcuff. We're good. Now, there's obviously a bigger notice. He has fixed dilated pupils.
Check. Lividity?
Yep.
You guys roll them over?
Yeah.
Just roll them over real quick. There's the lividity. No pulse. Eyes are fixed and dilated.